Homemade Eid Mubarak Biryani, affordable recipe for beginners. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel kitchen. With Eid just around the corner, it's time to celebrate with delicious food that brings families together. Today, we're making a special dish, homemade Eid Mubarak Biryani. It's not just any biryani, it's filled with love, tradition, and flavor, perfect for beginners and affordable for everyone. So let's dive in. First, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, you can find these in any local grocery store, and they won't break the bank. 1. Basmati rice, 2 cups. 2. Chicken, or your choice of protein, 500 grams. 3. Yogurt, 1 cup. 4. Onions, 3 large, thinly sliced. 5. Tomatoes, 2 medium, chopped. 6. Garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. 7. Ginger paste, 1 tablespoon. 8. Biryani masala, 2 tablespoons. 9. Garam masala, 1 teaspoon. 10. Green chilies, 2, slit. 11. Fresh mint leaves, a handful, chopped. 12. Fresh coriander leaves, a handful, chopped. 13. Cooking oil, 4 tablespoons. 14. Salt, to taste. 15. Saffron strands, a pinch, optional. 16. Warm milk, 1/4 cup, for saffron. 17. Fried onions, for garnish, optional. Now that we have everything, let's start cooking. Step 1. Marinating the chicken. Begin by marinating the chicken. In a bowl, mix yogurt, biryani masala, ginger paste, garlic paste, and salt. Add the chicken pieces and coat them well. Step 2. Preparing the rice. While the chicken marinates, let's prepare our rice. Wash the basmati rice thoroughly until the water runs clear. Then, soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. This will help the rice cook evenly. Step 3. Cooking the chicken. In a deep pan, heat cooking oil over medium heat. Add the sliced onions and cook until they turn golden brown. Now, add the marinated chicken and cook until it's no longer pink. Step 4. Layering the biryani. Once the chicken is cooked, it's time to layer our biryani. In a separate pot, layer half of the cooked chicken at the bottom. Then, add a layer of half-cooked rice on top of the chicken. Step 5. Adding flavorful ingredients. Now, let's add some flavor. Sprinkle garam masala, chopped mint leaves, chopped coriander leaves, slit green chilies, and chopped tomatoes over the rice. Repeat the layers with the remaining chicken and rice. Step 6. Infusing saffron. For that extra touch of luxury, dissolve a pinch of saffron strands in warm milk and drizzle it over the layered biryani. Step 7. Dum cooking. Now, it's time for the magic of dum cooking. Cover the pot with a tight lid or seal it with aluminum foil to trap the steam. Cook the biryani on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to mingle and develop. Step 8. Serving. Once the biryani is cooked, gently fluff it up with a fork to mix the layers. Garnish with fried onions for an extra crunch and aroma. Your homemade Eid Mubarak Biryani is ready to be served. Eid Mubarak. I hope you enjoyed making this delicious biryani as much as I did. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Remember, it's not just about the food, it's about the love and joy we share with our loved ones during this special time. Wishing you all a blessed Eid filled with happiness, prosperity, and lots of good food. Until next time, happy cooking. Subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more recipes and tips. Eid Mubarak.